Forget what Instagram shows you. This is what a real day in Thailand actually feels like. Sawadika! I'm Hadil, and you are watching Travel Smartly, your laid back guide to smart travel. Today, we are walking through a full day in Thailand, from sunrise to street food, from beach calm to night market chaos. Let's go! It's just after 6 a.m. The sun rises fast here. Golden light warming up corrugated rooftops and sleepy palm trees. A man sets up a cart at the corner, dropping balls of dough into oil that crackles louder than the motorbikes passing by. You might hear a rooster or three. Cats stretch on scooter seats, still warm from last night's rides. And around the corner, a slow rhythm of sandals on pavement. Monks in bright orange robes collecting alms, greeted with gentle bows and quiet smiles. This is Thailand waking up. By noon, the air is thick and buzzing. Tuk-tuks rattle past fruit carts and curry pots. The scent of lemongrass and gasoline blend in the heat. A woman pours Thai iced tea into plastic bags tied with rubber bands. Tourists bargain softly over elephant pants. And somewhere, a long-tail boat coughs to life as it backs away from the pier. It's chaotic, it's loud, and it's full of colors. Then comes golden hour. Shadows stretch across tiled walkways. Fishermen pack their nets as the last boats return to shore. You hear wind chimes, distant temple bells, and the soft shuffle of footsteps along the beach path. Cocktails clink in coconut shells, and the entire horizon turns gold, then orange, then purple. This is when everything slows down. At night, Thailand glows. Wooks crackle in every direction. A beach dog noses between plastic chairs, sniffing for scraps under the noodle stalls. Red plastic chairs fill with families, travelers, and locals slurping noodles under fluorescent lights. You might hear a street performer singing in Thai or a reggae cover of Bob Marley. And then there is the fire show, a spinning blur of flame on a moonlit beach. It's loud, it's beautiful, and somehow still peaceful. This is the magic people remember. And that's just one day. Imagine what a week looks like. Like and subscribe for more real travel stories from Thailand and beyond. See you in the next one. Bye.